North ridge of Mount Conness. Hopefully almost done with the approach. And then we get to climb this beautiful ridge up to a wonderful Sierra summit. Gonna be a good day. And as we topped out, this was the view that greeted us. The cloud sort of just came in at a funny angle that was really obscured by the summit of Conness itself, so we really didn't see that there was a storm until it was too late. Fortunately, we were able to actually get off the technical climbing before the precipitation actually started coming down. But yeah, we had rain, snow, hail, lightning. Our hair was standing on end at one point, which is really, really scary. But after hunkering down for about 30-40 minutes, the storm passed and we were able to get off. Before the storm came in, this was a really, really great route. Solid rock, wonderful, fourth, low fifth class scrambling. Highly, highly recommended. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Please like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel.